Welcome to Retire Too Soon, and today we're going to be cleaning out the interior of the Dodge. Alright boys and girls, let's start cleaning out the Dodge. But first, let's take a look. So, I haven't cleaned it since I got it, and the big mystery is going to be what is underneath this seat. Because as you see, I have child seat here and I haven't even picked it up. And my son has already found a live ammo on the floor. So definitely time to clean it out and see what we can find. I'm going to try to lay it out so you can see what is trash and what is underneath the seat. So we'll see what we can find. Alright, let's start cleaning. Looks like I got everything out from underneath the seats, and it's time to vacuum and clean up. I put the stuff in the back of the bed to show you what was underneath the seat. Alright boys and girls, I got majority of it all vacuumed up and clean. I really need to get a steam clean and clean the carpets out. They're all stained. But here, let's take a look. Hopefully during the video you weren't just looking at my butt. You can actually see what I was doing. Ha 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 ha. But a lot cleaner now. So look around. So I mean, still seats need to be, get the stains out. The carpets are dirty, but it's an older truck and it's a lot cleaner now. I need to remove the rear seat because of the broken window. There's glass and there's trash and stuff that's underneath here where I can't get. So I need to remove the seat and clean that out. So, and as you've seen in the video, first time picking it up, I had to figure out how to do it. So, but the moment you guys and girls have been really waiting for, what was underneath the seat? So we'll start over here. I should look at what this stuff was for. I don't know. probably, I don't know. I wish you guys time. So, found some more ammo. Got 12 gauge and 20 gauge. So, the other one we found in there, my son found, was a 7.62, I believe. 7.39. I don't remember. So, but that's what we found. So a lot of trash, a Hexaw, and then way over here. So that's all the trash and stuff that was underneath the seat. So I hope that motivates you. Get out, clean your vehicles. You never know what you might find underneath the seats, and just get it all cleaned up. You know, I didn't find that $1 million that the previous owner was obviously joking about. That was underneath the seat. So, but anyways, hope it was fun. Hope it motivates you to go clean out your car and get it cleaned. So it's nothing like having a organized, clean vehicle. So you know what to do. 2020, smash, kick, punch, whatever you gotta do. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.